Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Make sure your car stereo explicitly supports Apple CarPlay or plan to install a compatible aftermarket head unit. Once done, update your iPhone to the latest iOS to avoid connection bugs and decide between a wired Lightning cable or a wireless CarPlay adapter. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on and set the car to accessory mode so the infotainment system is powered. These steps remove basic blockers so you can pair and configure reliably. You now connect and configure. Plug the Lightning cable into the car's USB port marked for data, or if using wireless CarPlay, initiate Bluetooth pairing from the stereo and accept the prompt on your iPhone. Next, approve CarPlay on the phone when the pop-up appears and go to Settings General CarPlay to name and customize the connection. Make sure Siri is enabled so voice control works, then open Maps, Music, and Phone to verify each function responds through the vehicle speakers and touchscreen. Finish by applying any firmware updates for your head unit and securing cables to prevent intermittent disconnects. If CarPlay doesn't connect, reboot your iPhone first, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Swap the Lightning cable or switch USB ports because many failures are physical. If problems persist, try forgetting the car in iPhone CarPlay settings and repair. Reset network settings only if necessary, and use your stereo's factory reset as a last resort. This sequence isolates issues systematically and gets you back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.